Hey there, DCSM4T people. Hope all is well. I've seen a lot of chatter about TweetDeck, and so I just wanted to offer up one cool tool that TweetDeck has that I think will benefit you. So you can see in my TweetDeck, you'll see tons of columns. You definitely don't need all these columns. That can get overwhelming at times. But I manage the social media for Denver Christians, so I've got the different columns. I've got the general school one, the one specifically for students, and then our athletic one, different notifications, messages. I have different users that I follow. One of them is my son, and then just a couple of other users you can see here that I follow. But they're in columns, and that's what I want to show you how to do, is how to make columns for you and be helpful. So this one on the far left you have, and you probably have a notifications one for yourself as well. But one thing that you can add is a column just for this DCSM4T hashtag. So that's what I wanted to show you how to make. So on this left side here, you probably don't have all these icons. Yours is probably a little bit shorter, but nonetheless, over here, you'll see a plus sign. And this plus sign means obviously you want to add something. So I'm going to add a column. So you click that and this thing pops up and all these different things. So notifications and mentions and favorites, users. So like my son, I clicked user, I put in his Twitter handle, and now I have a column for anything that my son tweets out. So for obvious reasons. But anyway, the one that I would recommend you hit here is search. So you'll hit search, thing will come up over here, and you want to put in the hashtag, the pound sign, the hashtag DCSM, the number 4, and T. That's our hashtag for class. And then hit enter, and what pops up is a column. And so these are all the tweets that we've done as a class that have that hashtag. There's Professor Mulder's in there. You've got something from Steve Kortenhoven, from Cheryl. So you can see all your tweets are connected in this one column for hashtag DCSM4T. And so now you can organize. For example, Joanna has here, first tweet. They're awesome, great, with the hashtag. So it's pretty cool. Add the column. So at the bottom here, you'll hit add column, and it'll stick it at the end. Yours will be a lot closer because you won't have as many columns as me, most likely. But let's say I wanted, in this huge list of columns that I have, I want to move it down. I can just click this arrow. So I click in this little toggle buttons, and I just click to move it over. So that's one way. The other way is, I see this little thing on the side here, that those bump, sort of those bump looking things. I can grab it, and I'm going to slide it down. You can see it kind of moves. It keeps moving, keeps moving. Come on, there you go. So I'm going to put it right there. Okay, so it's right next to my son's, and that's fine. You can put it wherever you want. It actually doesn't even matter. So now anything that pops up will show up in this column. With that, anything that shows up with that hashtag will show up in this column, right? So if I put out a tweet, well, you can see I already have one here when I was testing this thing. So actually I don't need two, so I'm going to remove it. So if you want to remove a column, you click this button, hit remove, and boom, there it is. It's obviously it's still there. I had two. So I'm going to send a tweet out. Hey, DCSM4T, you rock. Excited. Oh, spelling error. Excited to start module 2. See you in the teachers, I don't know, teachers lounge. Sure. So then I hit tweet, and boom, see, it shows up right there in that column. So anyway, pretty awesome, pretty helpful. Hopefully that helps a little bit and works for you. Thanks. Bye.